Hi, Mom.
Hi guys, my name is Melissa. I work with US Bank Home Mortgage. I am your CRA loan originator. So loan originator means I can help you with a loan for a house. So if you are thinking about purchasing a home or refinancing a home, I can help you with that special project. If you have something in mind that requires big funding, like you need to pay for kids' college, a wedding, home improvements, you're thinking about buying an investment property and you need equity out of your current home, talk to me. I can brainstorm with you ideas about like just options on how you can take cash out of your property equity so that you can get your projects done. So right now, I actually don't want to talk to you about home loans. I want to talk to you about the CRA piece. So CRA means Community Reinvestment Act. And basically it means we're out in the community, we're looking for the area of need that we can meet. And I'm networking with other business professionals in the industry that have different resources and empowering. We're servicing unions, foundations, service members. You're going to see a lot of my posts are for foundations. I have a few realtors that I promote them, I empower them, I prospect for them. I also have unions that I delegate to them to service them. I have foundations that we sponsor. Basically, it's like a foundation is like your foster child where you take care of it, look after them, promote them, look for areas where we can advocate, sponsor, volunteer, all of that. So that's what the CRA means, Community Reinvestment Act. So if you're thinking, if you're thinking about buying a home or selling a home, please connect with me. I am not a realtor. I am a loan originator, means I only do the loans, but I do work very closely with some realtors here in San Diego that are highly trusted, respected, admired. A shout out to my friends at Coldwell Banker West, Fabi, David, Sal. They really took their time and their money, time away from their business and their family to run around all over the community with me and meet fire departments, police departments. We're infiltrating the schools now. And I'm so excited about that because, Coldwell Banker West has a preferred lender that they work with that, we don't have like like a contract with Coldwell Banker, yet they set aside like the business infrastructure and decided to join me, to join US Bank in my community outreach projects. Again, they no questions asked. They said, what do you need? And they were there, volunteering, donating, sponsoring, and I'm so grateful for their support. So I want to say, if you are thinking about buying a house or selling a house, please connect with me and I will refer you to a realtor that I highly trust, and that not just is a good realtor, because there's many good realtors out there, but a realtor that's actually committed to our community, that is committed to not just making a profit and buying a fancy car, a realtor that's committed to reinvesting back into their community, a realtor that's going to say yes to making donations to local hospitals, schools, fire departments, and the police departments. And there's another thing, right? We cannot do it all. We cannot, like one realtor, one bank, one sponsor, we cannot donate everything that they need, but we can advocate for them. We can volunteer for them. We can create a Facebook group to gather fans, to gather community, so that when they do have an event, we have enough volunteers. We can and the other thing that's really important is advocacy. We can go, think about a firefighter. They're so busy working overtime, 2 or 3 shifts, that, they can work 80 hours a week. I don't know how they do it. So obviously they're not going to be making phone calls and asking for sponsors and donations. So we can go on their behalf to the Chamber of Commerce and express their needs among the business community and see who wants to join in and who wants to tag along. So this is what we're doing. Again, a shout out and a thank you to Fabi, at Coldwell Banker West in Chula Vista, Sal in Chula Vista, Coldwell Banker West, David Fletes in Chula Vista. Thank you so much. I trust them so much that I delegated unions to them, foundations that I've serviced since 2015. And again, the reason why I trust them is because I see them, I've been following them on social media, for the last 5 years. They're out there prospecting, they're sharing best practices on Facebooks, they're team players. I see them running the extra mile for their customers, they're diligent, they're meticulous, and that's the kind of realtor I want to work with. And I approached them with my mission and vision about community events, and they said yes. They said yes, and I was so excited and so proud and so grateful. I am honored to work with them. These are like celebrity realtors. They're not just any realtor. So I am so honored to be working with Fabi, with David, with Sal, and especially because Coldwell Banker West has a different broker. They have a broker relationship. They have a preferred vendor somewhere else. And yet they set aside some of the business protocols to join me and US Bank in my community outreach events. I'm so grateful for that. And I'm not asking them for business. I'm not taking business away from their broker or realtor. I'm actually giving them business. I'm grabbing a realtor and plugging them in, plugging them into my unions, plugging them into the foundations. This is what we're about. Again, if you need, if you have any real estate needs, if you're thinking about buying, selling a home, or refinancing, if you're thinking about doing a construction or a remodel to your home, please connect with me. I can help you with the financing. If there's something that I'm not able to do, I'll connect you with someone else in the community. And also, I will help you find a realtor that is trustworthy, but also that realtor gave me a commitment in advance to reinvesting back into the community. So it's not just about making a profit. Again, it's not just about buying another fancy purse or the new car. It's about how can we connect and give back to the community. And yes, that is branding. Yes, that gives us business back, but it's just a cycle that keeps on growing. So the more business we're able to generate, the more we're able to give back. That's really the basics of CRA. And the companies and the brands, national brands, donate at a much, much higher level, that goes above my head. These are just the projects that I'm doing at a local community level here in San Diego. Thank you for your time. Please share the video. If you're a realtor and you want to work with me, inbox me. If you're a consumer and you're thinking about buying a house, selling, refinancing, please connect with me. If you need a realtor, please connect with me. I'm going to refer you to someone that's committed to the community. Thank you. Yeah.